so happened another coincidence today. There is another good friends of ours who are visiting from India. We didn't know that they are in town. Last minute, that yesterday evening, only late night, I came to know they are in town and they are leaving tomorrow. I said, how come we are going to Austin? There is no way we can meet them again tomorrow. So I had to change my schedule to accommodate meeting them also today. That went well.
We're very happy that it could happen. It was kind of thrown together and we said, let's do it. And thank you so much to Vince for making his house available and doing so much. Yeah. And I know he just got back from Cuba. Is it okay to say it out loud? Or? I went to Mexico. And I disappeared for a few days and then And I would love to hear about that trip at some point.
Oh, yeah.
My name's Paul, and I play with Sangeet Millennium with Amy Mashashevsky, who's around here. And she told me that this great guitar player was on tour. This was just when all the floods were happening. We started talking about it as well. You know, let's see if we can fit two things together and raise a little bit of money to help with the flood. We're aware of our sort of a global community much more, and it's much more real. So I'm just gonna let Sarah Jane take over at this time, and let's have some fun.
I'm going to be looping my sounds and creating a soundscape for you.
Well, it's so good to be here, everyone. It's really long been a dream of mine to play at Vince's Hilltop Palace. Yeah, so his group won the Grammy in 1990 for his collaboration with Ry Cooder called Meeting by the River, which some of you may know of. So he's a protege of that artist, that great artist, and playing this amazing instrument. So I'm very honored to share the stage with him. He thinks I'm a big sister and sometimes a mother and I get too bossy.
Anyway, all music art form come from conflict. So all musician, all art form belongs to conflict. Enjoy the conflict. Thank you. Thank you.